Hello everyone, this is Makvas on streaming. So today we're gonna continue creating tasks for learning Kubernetes. By the way, I would like to propose you if you want to learn anything and you want for tasks to be created, please let me know in our Discord server or in comments for this video, and I gonna prepare them. So, by the way, did you know, guys, that it's like 20 years passed since the the premiere of first episode of Harry Potter movie in the theater? Wow, so much time passed. So much time. Okay, so let's get started, and we have finished our previous session with some draft document of our post. So let me make it full screen. So it's like running block engine in the Kubernetes, and we started with yeah, we prepared some draft. Let's see how it looks. Was 400, okay. Okay, Jekyll started out. Well, what do we have here? Okay, let's check out Docker, and it's like running, and what do we have here in box? Okay, it started. So we are working on the second task for our Kubernetes topic. Let's check out what do we have. So fork repository, do we have it here? Yes, we have the repository. Nice. What do else? Run MySQL database update. Okay, run app container. So we have created the skeleton for our task, and let's update the practical thing. Okay. So does it look okay? Not every number was covered. Okay, so check the database pod is running. Right, so our first part of the task is to create a single pod and run their database and Jinx plus our application. It has two parts, which is MySQL database and a app container. So yeah, MySQL in database container, and app container for the WordPress. Nice. Okay. What we're gonna do next? Our next task is run local WordPress setup in multiple pods. Here, some run pod with MySQL database and okay, let's make practice looking better. What do we have here? So we have database, we have app. Which is okay, good. I decided, by the way, to maybe to split it to the so it's task and it has like part 2, part 3. So let's make let's create following directories 2, 3. Okay, so and move. Okay, let's move WordPress manifest to 2. What do we have here? Let's move database to 3, and let's also create a copy of our database, like database and so right now we are copying database YAML to app.yaml. Let's open it out, 3 and app YAML. Okay, we have name like app. Checking out with a naming convention first. Run pod with MySQL database, update database, so that would be pod database with MySQL. Check the database running. Run pod with WordPress, update WordPress YAML. Okay, so it should be WordPress. Pod WordPress. Okay, pod should be WordPress container. Nah, something with a naming. Okay, so a little bit weird naming. And what do we have? So we have update WordPress YAML, so that there would be pod, let's call it pod WordPress, and container, it should be application. I don't like, let it be WordPress. So okay, let's rename 3.app with app WordPress. Will it work like this? Let's see. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, so okay, let's remove WordPress with let's make it like easiest way .yaml. Okay, now we should have like in 3 folder WordPress. Nice. Okay, name which is like app, container with app. Okay, container pod should be 80. Nice. What else do we have here? So we have what else do we have here? So run pod with MySQL database. Update database YAML so that there would be pod database, pod called database. We have like so pod name database, okay, with MySQL container, that works on port 3306, okay. Password and other parts should be hard-coded in the manifest. Check out the database pod is spawning. Okay. Let me make it like check the data. Okay. Let me also, yeah, I should probably find a proper plugin for this. Port. Okay, this also. Okay. Port. Okay, looks better. Check the database pod is running. Run pod with WordPress. Update WordPress.yaml so that there would be pod with app container that works on port 80. Okay, password okay, use my database pod's address as a database. Okay, check that WordPress is running, connect to WordPress from localhost. I believe we don't need this second because it duplicates our code. So let's remove this step. We don't need it. Okay. Well, basically v3 dot everything here. Okay, so now move from to here. Yeah, I think plain text looks better. No need to update. Go to separate folders. Okay, and what else? Checking run init container. Okay, so next task would be so it's number 4. So this task would be a little bit trickier. So here we need build container with WordPress that reads that doesn't have a plugin built in. Okay, and the next task would be create replace replace app container image from app container with newly built image. Okay, and next task would be and now we're ready to run initial port. So run init, we can run init container, of course, container inside run init container, how call it, let's plugin download that downloads plugin with the download plugin. Okay, so here we're gonna give some details. So before app container started, we need idea would be following. Okay, idea would be following. Before plugin uploader, before WordPress like started, we want to have like our plugin uploaded. Plugin uploader, plugin download. Okay, so bad naming. Plugin download. Okay, and so it should download the plugin, then it should GitHub. Nice. So it downloads. So it downloads plugin from the plugin from GitHub, and then WordPress starting with a needed plugin. Okay. Now we need to put it into the text. For app container is container started, we need to have plugins. So how did it call the plugin? GitHub. Okay. Okay. Do we have plugin name here? No. So other repo. Yeah, we need this plugin to be downloaded. So if send after post plugin to be downloaded and later to be mounted in app container. I don't know how easy it is to understand. To be downloaded by plugin download container and later. Okay, let's check out. Yeah, and also we need to say that please update WordPress YAML file. For this task. Okay, nice. Make our word. On files. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have database YAML. So we have WordPress manifest YAML. We have database YAML, and we have WordPress YAML. Okay, so checking out. Okay, nice. WordPress manifest, database YAML, WordPress YAML. Okay, additional tasks. Yeah, it's already looks solid. What I would like to add here, I would like to add first of all to update the practice and upload it. Second, I would like to have some pictures which should look okay, and update some links. That would be also very nice. Let's go and do this. What do we have in readme? Set no. Okay, so okay, should be fine. practice for task. Okay, so it's like part 2 update word yes YAML manifest to run WordPress. In kubernetes. Okay. Part, I don't know if it's needed, but part 3 update, I don't need it. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's add our needed files, readme database WordPress of this. Okay, initial commit. Okay, checking out, let's checking out. Yes, so it's working. Yeah, this repo is for task BAMs, and let's okay, what? Okay. Yeah, let's fix the link. Let's fix the link. Link to fix link to task. Okay. Fix task URL. Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, it's proper place. What else do I want to add here? I actually don't. So as I would like to give some more distinguish, let's make it like pods. So yeah, let's make it. Let's rename it to pods. Yes, and yeah, and also yeah, so rename it, and then we also gonna need okay, nice. Okay, so this link should look then like this, but it doesn't exist, of course. No worries about it. So updating oh, okay, git commit add pods to task URL. Okay, pushing. Nice. And kubernetes post. Let's read it out. What? Ah, okay. Pods. Nice. Fork repository. Checking out the. Yes, we do have. Run local WordPress setup in single pod, run pod with blah blah blah, run up, check out that WordPress is running, run local WordPress setup in multiple pods. Well, it's already a big deal, it's really a big deal, so I would give 2 stars difficulty, yes. So it should be like, not so easy, not so easy. And what else do we have here? Yeah, 2 tasks. I would like to add additional tasks first, and then I would like to add some pictures to look it nicely. Okay, so what do we have? We have pods. Let's make like pods, kubernetes pods spec. Okay, groups. Okay, what do we have here? Command and yeah, so we can use it. We can use it later, by the way. Image pool policy, life cycle, liveness probe. Yeah, so we can reuse a liveness probe. We can definitely use readiness probe, startup probe, studying once whether the container runtime should close, termination message pass be the file to which the container message will be written. It's mounted. Okay, we don't need it. Volume devices working dir. Okay. Cron job, no, we don't need it. Okay, so we can for additional task, I think we can reuse readiness probe and life cycle. Sorry, life cycle, and yeah, so life cycle actions that the managers should take in response to container life cycle events. No, it's too hard for the first lesson. Let's start with something easier. So we're gonna use readiness probe and liveness probe so that people can understand the difference between them. And what else do we have? Like resources. Wow, definitely it's also something good. So let's make some additional tasks. Resources. Okay, limits. Did I miss limits? Here, limits. No. No, it's not here, it should be. So yeah, it's container. Yeah, so did I miss it? Resources. Readiness probe. What? Yeah, so okay, resource requirements, limits. Yes, definitely. It's something that we would like to use. So we're gonna use resources, we're gonna use readiness probe, we're gonna use uh, this resources, okay, readiness probe and liveness probe. Where it is liveness probe. Okay, so this is idea. Resources and limits, readiness probe and liveness probe. Okay, nice. So additional tasks would be uh, try to limit. No, so it should be. So our container is running, and potentially it could take like all the CPU and all the resources that the host that the node has. So we need to limit its usage and probably give some initial resources. Before running any container, it's always nice to limit its resources so that it doesn't allocate all of them. So readiness probe. So Kubernetes has mechanisms to check whether container is ready to handle traffic. Come on, it's called readiness probe. Kubernetes try to use it. Okay. Okay, leave one more time. Leaving is So yeah, so basically we have checked most of the aspects for our um, for running application inside pods. So for now I will not give any tips. Okay, and recommended soft. Nah. Okay, and useful links. Why not? Wait. 22. Do we have it? Okay. So should be kubernetes API. Okay, what else? And also some codes. Nice. So how it looks. And our task repository fork run local press tab run. Okay. Run it need container. I think we need more dots. Let's find them out. So let's find out something that doesn't has no. It's like okay, and dot and then close. Oh yeah, so it's like not dot to that. Am I missing something? Okay, yeah, looks good. By the way, this is right. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, all need dots added. Here, okay, and what else? I think only image. I think I would like to add images there. So let us draw some a beautiful drawing. So how it should look like. Okay, so we're gonna use act. Yeah. Come on. Actor, so he would like to use our app. Probably like this. No. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. So it should be. Okay. So yeah. And here we got our app. So like it's pod WordPress. Okay. So here is our pod WordPress. Okay, so it's like let's name it container app. Container name is app and port is 80. Okay, so okay, and here we have like container database, which shouldn't be bold. And port is like okay, so now let me make it prettier. Whoops. Yeah, and let's make it a little bit like here, and this one should go here. So it's WordPress, and we definitely want to make it look better, or even why not make it this thing we're gonna bring up. So looks like too big. Let's move it a little bit. Okay, and this is going like this. Okay, so user goes to check out container, and it should looks nice. Okay, and let's make it as an image. So let's export as PNG, zoom, selection only, transparent background no, grid no, include copy of background, export. Okay, so like task 2 part 1.1. Okay, device, save file. Okay. So what do we have here? Do we have any images here? Nah. Okay. So assets. So let's move downloads task 2.1 to assets. Okay, and let's add a picture. Let's add the picture here. So assets, then okay, let's see how it looks. Nice. Does this look okay? It doesn't look like this. I think we need to do a little bit of hacking. So let's add 2 lines. One. No, it shouldn't be a line. So it should be like this. It should be transparent. Field, yeah, nice. So let's copy it out. File, export as PNG, select it only. Transparent background, no, export. So let's make it P1, task 2 P1, phase 3, page 3, task 2 P1. Okay, save file. Downloads page 3. Okay, so to assets. Assets, let's remove T2 P1. Okay, T2 P1, and yeah, replace the name of the picture, and let's see. Okay, checking out. Nice, looks much better. One thing I would like to add is to actually center it. Let's see. Jekyll, center image. Nice. Okay. Okay. Does it work? Nice. And oof. Okay. So it doesn't. Let's see. I don't want to actually. Maybe. Chrome down. Allow us to do anything like this. Nice, very nice. So it works as expected. So now we need to have the second pod. Second, actually, yeah, second diagram. Let's move it out and let's copy this picture here. So let's make it a little bit bigger and what? Okay, let's make this one look like this. This one look like this. Okay, let's make it transparent, and also let's make it let's move it a little bit lower and copy this thing. So our pod should be run pod database pod, run pod with WordPress, pod WordPress. Yes. So nice. And pod database, and let's make it lower. This one should be also lower. Okay, so we have like two pods. This should look okay. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah. So this looks good. So we have two pods here with different containers, isn't it? Okay, yeah. Let's export this as PNG, so it should be like selected only, not transparent background, shadow export. Let's name it like phase 3 task 2 part 2 and save it. Let's move downloads phase 3 plus 2 to assets. Okay, let's copy this out. Okay, and also why not already copy this thing here. Part, actually this is part 4. Did I okay, like make naming pictures 3. Okay, let's check it out. Where is it? Page 3 task 2. Part 2. Okay, this one looks nice, and now let's make it even better. So like make copy, sorry. So let's make a copy of this diagram and make some magic here. Here we're gonna add new container. We're gonna make it a little bit lower. This we're gonna lower, and here we will make another pod which should plugin download, which shouldn't do anything, but it downloads. Where is the picture? So it downloads plugin from GitHub. So let's make this guy lower. Put this guy lower, and let's make this guy to download this, and let's make this guy to why don't you want? Could you go away, please? Okay, and now we move it up. Okay, and now we bring it back. Okay, looks cool. Still looks cool. Let's put it here. Okay, and nice. So let's make it, let's give it a little bit tip. Tipping only would be in the pictures, so it should like mount. And WordPress Docker image. I don't remember where actually does our source start. So let's check out. WordPress, nice. So let's check out where is wiki. Maybe do we have a wiki? No, we don't. Router entry point, username, blah blah blah. Let's see what Docker file template. Okay, workdir. Okay, so it's workdir, blah 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 blah. Well, whoa. Yes, so it should be here. Proper name, probably, and user src WordPress, and where do we need the plugins? WP plugins. Plugins. Okay. Folder. Does it look like this? I don't remember. Damn. Okay. WP. Let's plugins. WP content. Okay. WP content. Sorry. Plugins. Okay, this is nice. Well, if we remove this line, and make it okay. Does it look okay? It doesn't. Okay, let's make it bigger. make it bigger. Okay, so choose mount. Okay, now it looks better. Now it looks better. Now let us make this looking better. Okay, come on. And moving this one around. Yeah, now it looks much better. So actor. Oh, come on. It's so not nice. So let me replace this actor user. Yeah, let me make it. Okay. This and okay. I'm making it like this. Okay, and here we're gonna also add, go here, rename this guy to user, and okay, and this one should be no, we only need to this thing and this. Okay, and this one looks better, and now it looks much better. Let's check it out. Okay, so we rename it. Let export it one more time. Export as selected only, include, not include. One more time. Phase 3, task 2, part 2. Okay, save. Now this one, file export. So get rid of ugly naming. Yeah, so let's name it phase 3, task 2, part 3, png. a lot. Save. Now make it like file export selection only and part 4. Okay, save. Okay, then let us change this one to part 3, this one to part 4, and this one p1 to part 2. Okay, and now let's remove assets ph part 1, and then let's move. Okay, and let's make it a little bit better and check out. Okay, so we have run local WordPress template single pod. Okay, run local WordPress in multiple pods. Okay, and run init container inside WordPress pod. Okay, one more thing I would like to add here is, of course, it's like init container. This is init container. How it looks, let's check. Init containers. Init containers. Okay, let's name it like this. Init container. Nice. Let's open it up one more time. Let's export. Only this, only this, only this. Phase 3, task 2, part 4. Twice. Okay, and let's move it one more time. Okay. Init container. Nice. Container, everything looks good. Additional tasks, resources and limits. Before running indicator, it's so nice to limit its resources so that they need to allocate all of them. Limit resources usage. Okay, resources usage. Nice. Okay. Let's add all of them. Add task 2 for part 4 phase 3. Run blog inside inside pods, inside kubernetes pods. Did I forget anything? Yes, I did forget, like, Kubernetes pods. Yeah, it's something weird. We don't need this. What did we have? What did we have? Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Here we're gonna have like basic and average plot. So you started learning Kubernetes from the bottom and wanted to from the pods. So your first idea was to play with to run inside those pods. Looks very generic, but still task is good. What? Okay, give description for task 2 phase 3. Okay, let's push it away and let's see. Okay, this one we do have. Nice. This one we do have, and now what else do we want to have here is learn oh yeah, this one always forgetting what dependencies do we have. Okay, addressable. Let's see if we do have it in a gem file. Okay. I don't know. Is it worth it? Fix depths. Okay, never have seen it. Okay, my bad. Okay, so gem file. Okay. Create dependencies. Let's see if it works. New pull request. So from this one, create new pull request. Create pull request. So what did we add here? We updated our vulnerabilities. We added 3 pictures and we added 1 post. Nice. So let's merge it and squash it. Squash, confirm. Okay, no need for this branch. And here we go. Let's check our DevOps macvas.com. Let's see if we do have our stars. Yeah, we do see like 2 stars. Looks nice. Yeah, great job for us. And okay, thank you everyone for being here. As a next topic, we're gonna continue working with Kubernetes basics, and we're gonna cover deployments and maybe services, because they do overlap, not overlap, but really they do work with each other very closely. But let's see how it will look. Definitely there would be more tasks than we have, like horizontal autoscaling definitely would be, and there would be deployments, there would be services, there would be like cron jobs. I believe we're gonna add some other stuff here to make it like to look it better and better. So see you next week, guys. Thank you everyone, and have a great day, evening, or whatever time you have. Thank you. Bye.